So many tears in the rain fell the night you said that love had come to you. I thought you were not my kind. I thought that I could never fear for you. The passion and love you were feeling, and so you left for someone new. And now that you're far